Shugor nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
Myntri bapet ya katanat Pdiang jong kacela uba lakmen remboy wala Pdiang bakadon ke Tlot ha ke Treikam ki Pulit kabala saki ya ke Jingbthei bom IED hayo light mkra ha ke sngi baar ha ka ba arngut ki briu ke la mensaw ha ba penrem jur ya ke ni ke Jingjia bat penpau bakalong ke ba sngosi uba lakmen ula kubur bakadon ke Jingbom biang ha ke Treikam ki Pulit lada omdei ke Jingpil jong ki Pulit katanat sentian Nyem simlakmi lanti satia bakum kani ke Jingjia kan wanjia kamtam ha ke tei ka jaka balong yo kani ka longkum ke Jing kersiutia ki Pulit ki lahap banlong ki ba kampet ngor bat ba kimdei ban sim satia ba kino ke Jingai Jingtip kindei ki baret ha ke juga pon na kaliang Myntri ula kan turu ya ki nong snong ba kin pentip marmar la da ki sngodon kano ke Jing suba ha ka yat ka yang jungki brio ha ki dong ki jongki
constant vigil to see that the peace and tranquility is prevail in the state of Myntri. So, but this incident happened, which is condemnable, which should not happen. So, the police will have to do more to see that this type of things should not happen. The government from time to time has tried to address this issue. And as you know that this issue is not new. In fact, many has not failed, as I said to you, that many crimes have been solved with the help of this CCTV and many more. So we want to expand it as much as possible in a phased manner. Over. So now we have to go for the second phase. Have not been project to us because now we have to do first that to have to provide the CCTV camera in all the police stations of the state, which we have to do as per mandated by the Supreme Court. So that project we will start, and this project also side by side we are starting. So we will do that's why I told you it is a continuous process. CCTV have been set up, and it is really helpful to solve many crime in the city. But we have to understand also the vulnerability, which hampered expansion. Moreover, once you set up CCTV, it does not mean that it ends there. Some CCTV also which are not working, we have to replace them. So this is a constant, continuous process.
Any more area?
All the strategic location, according to the mapping of the police, have been there. So they will do it in a phased manner. Security is being in place and will be more what need to be done depending upon the location. So the police is on the job. And I wish that this case could be solved as early as possible. So the police will do all needful to solve this case. Investigation is on, so let's see.